Section 1. A mountain of litigation, India's legal backlog. India faces a severe backlog of court cases. Millions of cases are pending across various levels of the judicial system. This backlog represents a staggering number of individuals and entities trapped in legal limbo. The sheer volume of cases poses a significant challenge to the Indian judiciary. The situation is particularly dire in lower courts, where the majority of disputes enter the system. Years, sometimes decades, can pass before a case reaches its conclusion. This delay in justice delivery undermines the faith of citizens in the legal system. The scale of this backlog is not merely a statistical anomaly, it signifies a systemic issue with far-reaching consequences for Indian society. Section 2. Clogged courts, understanding the delays in India's justice system. Several factors contribute to the slow judicial process in India. One key factor is the sheer complexity of cases. India's diverse population brings a wide range of legal disputes to court. These disputes often involve intricate legal questions and require extensive investigation. Another significant factor is the shortage of judges and court staff. The Indian judiciary has long been grappling with inadequate manpower. This shortage places an immense burden on existing personnel. It also slows down the pace of case resolution. Moreover, procedural delays and adjournments are common. Adjournments, while sometimes necessary, can significantly prolong the lifespan of a case. The cumulative effect of these delays contributes to the mounting backlog. Addressing these systemic issues is crucial for streamlining the judicial process. Section 3. The Great Divide. Legal professionals versus growing demands. India faces a widening gap between the number of legal professionals and the legal needs of its population. While the number of law graduates has increased in recent years, it hasn't kept pace with the rising demand for legal services. This disparity is particularly pronounced in rural areas and among marginalized communities. Access to quality legal representation is often limited by financial constraints and geographical barriers. Many people are forced to navigate the complex legal system without adequate guidance. This lack of access to justice perpetuates inequalities and undermines the rule of law. Furthermore, the specialization of legal practice creates additional challenges. While specialized expertise is valuable, it can also make it difficult for individuals to find lawyers with the right skills and experience for their specific needs. Bridging this gap requires a multi-pronged approach. Section 4. Justice delayed is justice denied, impacts on Indian society. The consequences of India's legal logjam are far-reaching and affect various aspects of society. For individuals and businesses caught in legal battles, the delays translate into prolonged uncertainty and financial strain. The economic costs of this backlog are substantial, hindering investment and growth. Moreover, the slow pace of justice erodes public trust in the legal system. When people perceive the system as inefficient and unable to deliver timely justice, they may be less likely to seek legal recourse or cooperate with legal authorities. This erosion of trust can have detrimental consequences for the rule of law and social order. Section 5. Towards a more efficient system, reforms and the path forward. Addressing India's legal crisis requires a multifaceted approach focused on both short-term and long-term solutions. Increasing the number of judges and court staff is crucial for handling the sheer volume of cases. This expansion should be accompanied by improved infrastructure and technological upgrades to enhance court efficiency. Simplifying legal procedures and promoting alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, such as mediation and arbitration, can help resolve cases more swiftly. Investing in legal aid programs and expanding access to legal services, particularly in underserved areas, is essential for ensuring equal access to justice. Addressing this legal crisis is not just about clearing a backlog, it's about upholding the fundamental right to a fair and speedy trial, a cornerstone of a just and equitable society.